we needed a water truck for a wagon train we got coming up, so we run down here to Alamo, Nevada, down to the treasure trove of treasure troves. Treasures. So we're gonna get that old girl loaded and then head back to the northern border between Utah and Arizona and Nevada.
Casa Duego.
Yeah, Casa Duego. Yeah. And we'll see what happens here. Kent's gonna push us on maybe. See what he does. All right, here you go. Okay, so, oh, hold on, we're recording this, loading this truck. If I can figure out where to steer so I don't run off the edge, I don't have any idea.
Hold out.
Look at this old truck. It's a beauty. If you have the inclination, you can take that glove box off over there and stick it right here and make this thing a right-hand steer. Not a problem. I don't know if you can feel the clunk.
Yeah, you're right. Raise it up and help you push it on. And you're right on the ramp, so you'll be all right.
Yeah, having just have arrived.
That's everything. Hold it, Kent. Hold it.
Look at this. Wing windows. When's the last time you seen a wing window? This is nice. 6-speed tranny, reverse, overdrive. That big old fuel tank. We still going forward? Alright, well, we got that old girl loaded. We had lots to do in a big hurry. Leon got him a big old burger. Look at that big old burger. Holy crap, look at the size of that thing. He's probably going to give me one of those patties off that thing, and I'm going to have it with my crackers. If I'd have known there's burgers in there, you should have gotten the burger line. The best part about coming to these hole-in-the-wall places, no matter where you go, never shop at a chain restaurant, because you never know what you're going to get in these hole-in-the-wall, off the beaten path. It's always something new and exciting, and you always take advantage of those kind of opportunities. And this is where we are here in Alamo, Nevada, and you know darn good well these people don't see much traffic, and anything we can do to support them, we're good to go. Yep, what he said. I supported the cheese and cracker line because I thought I was in a hurry. Apparently we're not in a hurry, because he just had a custom burger made while I sat in the truck and ate cheese. Look at that burger. Look at the size of that thing. There's a pound of burger in that burger. Probably fresh cut too. Yeah, they just look. There's the cow. It's come off right there. It is. Yep. So, anyways, we're up the road. We're headed back to Utah. Got the water truck on. Got a wagon train coming up that we'll be out on the trail with 85 or 90 animals and a big old group of people. Call it a super spreader if you want, but we're gonna go have fun and live life. So we're gonna head up the road before it gets dark, and thanks for coming along for the ride. All right, well, there's a few things happening. It's 107 still, 7 o'clock at night. It's hotter than Hades down here. I think it was 115 on our way across here. We just passed a sign back there when we left Alamo that said next gas station 75 miles. So we're boogieing right along here down this highway. Just never ends. We're out by Coyote Springs. It's the middle of nowhere. You ever hit? Nothing, huh? Nothing yet? No power. Huh. Oh, headlights are on. They were. Okay, hold on. Is there a push button? Yeah, no fire either way. Try it again. I'll see if that thing's sparking away.
Switch or something.
Yeah.
Maybe I tugged it into connection.
Yeah, he was pulling on wires and maybe... Where did that go?
That's just extra.
Oh, alright. You want me to get another can of Go Juice?
You want me to hit it again?
Yeah. It might run. Oh hell, I might have flooded it. Hold it wide open. Yeah. I poured that gas down the intake. Let me grab another can of canned consent. It might run. Hey, it runs. Look out, brakes! We're headed up to Hurricane Hill, gonna go grab a set of tires for that water truck we hauled home from Alamo. We're gonna go goof around on the wagons for a week out towards Bryce Canyon, and so we need a water truck to water all the animals. But we're gonna go out and get some 6-lug Bud wheels, military tires for that old truck. It's a 1972 Chevy C50. So we'll take you along for the ride.